As someone who practices alternative medicine, how tough is it to practice that in this country? Do you get scrutinized quite a bit, and is
In
it
the
tougher?
in the past, yes, but not in the last 15, 16 years. I mean, in the early 1990s, the State Medical Board in New York decided that they would eliminate all alternative medicine and make the world safe for patients. And they sent an oncologist into my office, Julian Hyman, who was semi-retired at that point. He was on in the Columbia system. And his brother was a very eminent oncologist, and his son, I've told the story, Stephen, was a Harvard-trained research psychiatrist who was director of the National Institutes of Mental Health and is more recently provost of Harvard University, a very eminent medical family. And he comes into my office a total skeptic. Ends a year later, after going through hundreds of my records, he was required by the medical board to watch over me for a year. Wrote an affidavit in which he said he saw miracles in my practice, became a good friend. In fact, he's now 85 years old. This is like 20 years ago. We're going to have dinner soon, my wife and I. We kept up a good friendship. And ever since then, I've never been hassled. I mean, in the early 90s, there was, all alternative doctors in New York were under scrutiny, but it's changed. I also think the New York State Board, where I reside, has been very kind of low-keyed. You know, if you do something wrong, like cut off the wrong leg or, you know, use some illegal drug, they're going to go after you. But they haven't bothered me at all ever since I had that experience with Dr. Hyman. It turned out to be a wonderful friendship.